It's always very unsafe and dangerous that children used to open the door while the journey. Today in this video we are going to see how to put child lock in my new Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara. For putting the child lock, first open the door. After opening, you can see a white small knob available here, and the arrow direction shows on which direction it is locked. This can be switched on and switched off based on our convenience. Whenever you like to put the child lock, press the knob to the direction which is shown in that arrow and then close the door. After putting the child lock, we can see that the door cannot be opened from inside, so that our child will be safe. Once you put the child lock on, the door can be opened only from the outside. Have a happy and safe journey.